Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion box break number 57. Here's the last name up for auction. There's Edmonton. So number is NE206664692. That's NE206664692. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start with the Peerless Patches hit for the Kings of Tyler Toffoli, 12 out of 50. They have a gold base, 7 out of 50 of Cam Fowler for the Ducks. They have a back-to-back beginnings, 26 out of 99 of Jonathan Huberdeau and Nail Yakupov, randomized at the end between Edmonton and Florida. Patch out a rookie, 242 out of 299 for the Lightning of Alex Killorn. Jersey card for Edmonton, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, 5th, 75 out of 99. And we got a base, 59 out of 299 of Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks. So let me get the random set up, 1 second. So it's between Edmonton and Florida. Randomize it 3 times. Good luck. That's 1, 2, and 3. That card goes to Edmonton, so congrats to Edmonton. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.